Today we're gonna cook a filet of salmon. This is a fast and easy recipe, and we're gonna top it with some creamy mushroom sauce. We're gonna start adding some oil and then any seasoning that you can use. Seasoning that has a lot of mixture of dry herbs. I'm gonna put like a natto paste, and I'm gonna use one sour orange. You can always use a juice of lime, and we're gonna add some annatto powder as well because we want our fish to have a red color. That's what we want. Okay, so you mix everything, and we got a piece of salmon right here. So nowadays the salmon is not very red like in the old days. Nowadays you buy farm salmon, but what are you gonna do? Just paint it all over. And for the sauce, we're gonna use some onions, a little bit of tomato. In a pan, you add some oil. Once the pan is hot, I'm gonna throw a little bit of butter, and we're gonna lay the salmon on top of the oil and the butter. Just cover it. Wait for 3 or 4 minutes with the medium heat temperature. Flip it over, cover it one more time, and just wait 3 more minutes. You can always cook it inside the oven in an air fry machine. I have done that many times. Okay, so after that you flip it over, and then you cover it and you let it cook for 2 minutes. You can always use a thermometer to check the temperature. And our fish of salmon is already finished. Just put it on a plate, and we're gonna add some butter, some oil, because we're gonna make our sauce in here in a pan. And just throw some onions in there, a lot of mushroom. You can always use shiitake mushroom, any type of mushroom. Just combine everything in here, and I like to throw some tomato. You can always throw green bell pepper, cilantro. You can add white wine if you want. And I have some Alfredo sauce here, and just combine everything from one more time, and that's it. This is very fast, easy. If you like salmon, you should try this. And what we're gonna do now, just put all the creamy mushroom sauce on top of it. And now you can use heavy cream. It's much better because I didn't have heavy cream. When you use heavy cream, your sauce is watery. It's creamier. And look, the salmon is already cooked. Thank you for watching. I hope you give it a try. And don't forget to like the video. We'll see you next time, and Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you have a wonderful year.